Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, MapSum pairs. You need to implement MapSum class in such a way that initialize MapSum object. And then we need to implement insert function which takes two input parameters, key and value. Insert this key value pair into a map. In case if the key already exists in the map, then override the original key value pair. Also implement sum function which takes one input string. We have to consider this input string as a prefix. We need to implement this function such a way that find and return the sum of all the pair values whose key start with the prefix. Here is an example. This is order of actions and these are inputs for each and every action and these are the outputs for the respective action. Let's say we are inserting this key value pair. Apple is the key here, 3 is the value. When you call sum function with ap as a prefix, since ap is a prefix in Apple and there is only one key value pair exists in the hash map, it simply returns 3. Now again we are inserting another key value pair. App is the key and 2 is the value. And then we are making sum call again with ap as a prefix. Since ap is prefix in both Apple and app strings, we should return sum of these two values, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. This is the answer. Now let's discuss the approach. The simplest approach we can think about is the naive approach is by using hash map. We will take a hash map and then insert all key value pairs into this. Since hash map does not allow any duplicate keys, if you insert the same key again, then the original pair will be overridden by a new pair. Anytime we call sum function with prefix, then we will pull all the keys from the hash map and sum all the values for the keys that matches with the prefix. This is one of the simplest solution. The hash map insertion time complexity is always constant, which is order of 1. But in the sum function, we are iterating over all the keys and looking for prefix match. It is order of n for iteration and overall it is order of n multiplied by length of the prefix. L is the length of the prefix. We will discuss another approach which improves the sum function time complexity further. Let's say these are our input key value pairs. Rather storing key value pairs as it is into the hash map, we will break and store key into all possible prefixes and possible sum values well before. Which means, let's take Apple. Rather storing it as Apple, we will store it like A, AP, APP, APPL, APPLE. And the value will be same for all these prefixes. It is 3. Now we will add this key value pair. Key is app, value is 2. Here also, rather adding app directly, we will break it into possible prefixes. It can be A, AP, APP. Since these prefixes are already exist in the hash map, we will add the value to the existing prefixes. Means 3 plus 2, which is 5. Here also it is 5. Here also it is 5. We need to consider one use case here. What about adding an existing key with different value? To address this, we will identify delta first. Let's say we want to insert app as a key with value 1. In order to identify delta, first we will check does the key exist in the hash map or not. The key is already exists in the hash map, but it is not its original value. It is sum of prefixes. Its original value is 2. In order to retain original key value pairs, we will maintain two hash maps. One for original key value pairs and another one for maintaining prefixes. For the time being, assume that this is a hash map to retain original key value pairs. Now coming back to delta, the formula is delta D equal to new value minus previous value, which is old value. In our case, new value is 1 and the old value is 2. Delta is minus 1. We will use this delta to update prefix here. 5 minus 1, which is 4. In case if the key does not present, I mean if app does not exist in the hash map, then delta value will be new value minus 0. Since old value does not exist, the default value is 0. In such cases, the original value will be retained and we'll apply this original value into the hash map. Hope you understood. Anytime we call some function with prefix, since we are ready with all possible prefix combinations here, it is a constant time complexity to return sum back. So for the sum function, it is order of 1 time complexity. But insert is again order of n multiplied by length of prefix. We have improved with sum function but not much improvement with insert function. Let's discuss another approach. We will be taking Trice data structure in our next approach. In case if you are not familiar with Trice data structure, then I have given my previous video reference on Trice in the description. Please watch it once. We will retain hash map to hold original key value pairs and we will construct Trice data structure for the key value pairs. Let's take Apple. This is our root node. Root node does not contain any value. Add A as a child node to root. Then P node. Then again another P node. Then node L. Then node E with value 3. The next key is app. A is already present. P also already present. This node also already present. Update value here. In order to further simplify and avoid tree traversal complexities to identify prefix sum, we will take advantage of previous approach. Rather storing values only at value nodes, this is one value node, this is another value node. We will calculate possible sum at each node. Let's update. If the key is Apple, then the value at each node will be 3. Now, if the next key is app, then let's update prefixes. 3 plus 2, which is 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. You must consider inserting existing key use case here also. We must calculate the delta first and then update the prefix values here. I hope you remember delta formula which we discussed just now. Now it is much simplified to insert key value pairs and fetch some values. Now the time complexity for insert is order of n. Here n is length of the string. Then the time complexity for sum function is order of L. Here L is length of the prefix string. Hope you understood. Let's write code now. We will be writing code for Trice based approach. I have already copied method signatures from LeetCode as it is. First we will create a class for try node. Here next we will be holding all child node references. We will declare a variable called count to hold node value. Declare a constructor. Since there are only 26 English lowercase alphabets, array length is 26 here. Let's declare a reference for Trice root node. Declare a map to hold original key value pairs. Now let's complete initializations. Now we will add code for insert method. First we will declare a variable to hold key original value. Now let's check does the key already exist in the map or not. If it exists, then assign the value to previous variable. Now let's insert key value pair into the hash map. Let's update Trice data structure. We will create or update nodes by iterating over input key string. Find index using ASCII support. Check if the current node contains any child at the given index or not. If the child does not exist, then create a new try node. Now get the child node from the given index. Find the delta value as discussed and update the node value. We are done with insert function. Let's write code for sum function. Start from root node. Find the sum value by iterating over the prefix index. Calculate index to find child node. In case the character in the given prefix does not exist, then return 0. Else, try to traverse till the end of the prefix character. Finally, once we reach the last character in the prefix, return its value. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. We are making couple of insert calls and sum call. So let's test our code. Let's run. Here is the output, which is as expected. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.